Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Me and my family are at Falls View Camp. I forgot to say good night because most of you like to watch YouTube at night. If I talk very weird, it's because I have gum in my gum. We are at Falls View Camp.
Nanang junk foods, ibutang na diri.
The entrance fee for this is 25 pesos, but I don't know if I got it for First, let's start with the food because that's what I love the most. We have natural grown lettuce, and we have a little cafe over here.
Yeah, see. Istri dia. Questionan ng.
Kung saan yung mga bayad yan? I-said.
Sir.
Baligya. Pila ni?
Naami chocolate moist, 100.
Oh, 100.
And carrot cake, 100.
Carrot cake, 100. Yeah, in English po dahil yung tindera.
Yan po yung mga...
Ingat mo siya kaya. What else? What else?
You.
Now that we're done talking about my favorite part, the food, let's now talk about one thing.
Here.
Yes, I almost forgot about the coffee. There's coffee, bread, and cookies in here.
And banana.
Banana cube.
Banana. Over here, we can see the beautiful view. Come here. Don't be shy. Don't fall off. Here we have a beautiful view of the mountains. It's pretty foggy, it's raining actually. Which I brought my sweater. Here over there you can actually see the falls. And if you don't know, you can actually hear the falls if you don't hear it. Over there we have the camps. Well, which is the main thing about this. We also have little campfires for the campers. As you can see, there are tents that are different from the other tents. There are rentable tents, and you can even bring your own tents.
Rooms.
There are also rooms here that is rentable. I prefer you do this with your family and friends because it's a really great time. As long as it doesn't rain.
Kaway na, boss. Kaway. Muna si MM ang gahi sa LTO. Gahig kumo ba? Good morning. Kumusta ang buntag, Daim? So good. Mayo. Pero murag pundador naman yung ginom mo? Taro?
Naglapad akong ulo ang isa. Nasubrahan.
Nasubrahan or nakulangan?
Sobra na kayo.
Ha?
Kulang pa di ay. Sobra na. Kulang ko lang na yun.
Kuya.
Follow me. Here we have the lot that I prefer you should not run around because you might fall off, which is very common. You can actually see the big mountains. There are even houses, as you can see in the other side. There's a little farm. I prefer when you're going here, I prefer you should bring a sweater or a jacket because obviously in mountains it's cold. You can see the clouds if you can see it. You can see the clouds, and I don't know if you know this, but it's actually raining right now, so I'll make this quick as possible. Here we can see the land. We can see another campfire over there for the campers, and the flowers. It's actually a perfect time we go here because the flowers are starting to bloom because it's actually spring, and yeah. As you can see, the flowers and the plants are growing very good and fast because today is spring. Like this, it's spring season. Let's go this way because that way is the rent, the rooms. Let's go this way. Let's take a walk in the garden, I think. I don't know what it's called. Here you could take some beautiful pictures. I prefer not to run in here because you might fall off. You can go over there, you can buy some. What I like about this is that it's right next to an eating place. Oh, mostly everything is. You can go here with your friends. It's up in the mountains. There's lots of fire camps here because it gets cold quickly. So that's all I can see and say.
Kuya,
Oh shit. I almost forgot about the rooms and the campfire. Here we can see a campfire. Looks like it's been used. It's actually a really smart way to get rid of the trash. And here we have a little garden. And we have another sign too. Welcome to Falls View Camp. Where everything in here is false. So don't believe everything I say. So if I say something, don't believe it because it might be false and it might be true, but everything is false because this is Falls View Camp. That's it, everyone. Thank you
Here.
and goodbye. Oh shoot.
you go there in their camp.
Here we can see the campers. Actually, you can use cars. You can use. I'm gonna go interview the campers and yeah. First, I'll interview my uncle.
Your uncle.
Ambot. Sa na.
Uncle.
First, I'm going to interview my tito. At how he thinks about the camp.
Say you.
So, kasi mong ganahan aning sa...
English man na, American man na.
Oh shoot. What do you like about Falls View Camp?
First of all, it's falls and view. Beautiful.
What do you think about the campers that go here?
They all come here to camp.
Kiri may interview ako kay Manny Kuan. Si Manny Pacquiao.
Saya ta ha. Dito
English. English. English daw sa Manny.
Make sure na ako para di ka maka-nosebleed.
Alright.
Asawa niyo?
Di mo Bisaya, so kamay lang akong ingon.
kamay lang.
Kasi ganahan mo di ani kayo. Kanang mga food or kwan.
Siyempre ang temperature and then blessing ang view kay nay kita
Falls.
na kaya falls.
Kita.
Fall.
Oh, kana. Mo ni nakanindot. Kiki falls.
Claro.
Gira pangihinang ko tukad ganina ra pangihin.
Pang-anso na kayo na.
Kiki falls.
Continue asking your Tito American.
Dito American.
Yeah. Is a German. Not a German Shepherd.
Pero katong customer yung nga tinuod sir. Pwede naman interview siya ni kastorya mo sa area. Ana ra? Dito. Yung katong nga tinuod yung nga customer kita budot-budot sud. Budot-budot. Hindi man ipig, hindi tinuod customer ni.
Camping rules. Keep silent 10 PM to 6 AM. Clean as you go.
Mas palo.
Mag-interview ta?
Ay na, dito na.
Oh. Mag?
Thank you.
Oh. Thank you. Good night. Good evening. Good afternoon. Good morning. That's all I can say. Thank you and goodbye, everybody.